Yemo bibia kwa ba de Basmart Ghana update so we a news update for kra na de ba besom. Awusua Attorney General ene Jakpa omu case a ewo court ni nyina efa Ato Forson ambulance ne ho no ene omkoko pie mu wo court na abusua rulings ne judgment aba a tese breaking news as amejemfi edi kan de beto abonten ne se ade se high court judge no advise Attorney General se onko no nkontra nchen kakra ebe kra nko onya case ni die no mfama ne deputies ni bi no munni abuzuana enchiremu aba to the extent se omuchiremu a ade se Jakpa audio a asiedu nkatia ene NDC fo bebo no abonten no ade se high court no agye atum sisi a o se omode be evidence of course it and say wa bra Jakpa make those allegations no wa bra na asem die ni koso e court no ade se Attorney General Godfred Dame no wa mie na no anka hwe it say no court no agye Jakpa audio no a NDC for born no abonten no atum amasese omo de be evidence e case na e koso no awusua nchemu bebre e na aba whether said the samejemfi be kan say yese Godfred Dame Attorney General enkokọ tranchen no kure bi wom anase no kure bi nim ene nye nyoma e course e court nyina no atodwa a mepese ebekọ ne akwakuti no kure ankasa pa a ewum e wo Ato Forson ambulance case ene prosecution witness Jakpa ne audio a o make allegations a eno so yaje atum e wo court yenko ni ntimra
and the court no enipa mienu are reporting differently from court mechanical mienu i.e. my joy Adom online and afi area samejemfi inti bekenka amwati na makenka yankasa so afidie de no na wati na de ugina ya name court e bai no so aka me atiase.
Okay.
Area samejemfi de about say breaking news lawyer samejemfi communications director for officer for the NDC. High Court judge in the ambulance case involving Honorable Ato Forson and Mr. Jakpa has directed Attorney General Godfred Dame to stay away from the trial on grounds of professional and prosecutorial misconduct. This is after the court declined jurisdiction to order an inquiry and mistrial based on the prosecutorial misconduct of the Attorney General. The court directed the Honorable Ato Forson to seek redress at the appropriate forum, the General Legal Council, if so minded. The telephone recording between Mr. Jakpa and the Attorney General has, however, been admitted into evidence despite protests from the Attorney General that same was inadmissible. This is the first time that an Attorney General of Ghana has been directed by the court to recuse himself from a trial. Okay, so it goes on ruling on application filed by Mr. Jakpa is still being raised. Okay. Walk us through the one can say course.
Yeah, so let's begin with the first one, which is what you quoted as to be coming from Sami Jemfi, who is with the opposition NDC, you know. I know correct. Yes, he will quote the certain judge were advice the football and or the man Attorney General Godfred Dame. Having listened to the audio, in the audio no or say Attorney General ne Richard Jakpa Kasa Afa medical excuse duty Richard Jakpa and solicited from a medical facility to enable him delay the proceedings in court. Now, or no Attorney General on to on case, you know. According to the sitting judge, you know, she find that problematic. And so to protect the dignity of the judiciary, when to Attorney General for say, Tenka on Anka Godfred Dame on Chini is now a possible. Now, will be put from the Attorney General's office and to us. So it is an advice. They put to Anna judge, you know, at the Attorney General. You have to emphasize the advice. Then you put to any directive and I say order. On share the kitty say Mr. Godfred Dame step down or recuse yourself from this ongoing trial by order of court. No. And yet this year, judge in say based on that particular conversation to the effect that Mr. Japa should get an excuse form from a hospital to get him to delay the trial. No, she finds it problematic. But she goes on to say that she doesn't have the jurisdiction to make a concrete ruling on that. It is only the General Legal Council that is the body clothed with the powers to deal with that. It is the area party now are involved. No, they should seek redress from the General Legal Council.
Okay, so on this one, what it means is that Self-Futuno, Attorney General Pa and offer onfa.
Now, yet to court one, even after that advice has been given to the Attorney General, the Attorney General went on to engage in the case. He didn't keep quiet. In fact, he is the only lawyer from the Attorney General's office. I mean, lawyers are moving Attorney General office or by and on or Kasai and kind night now, even though after the advice that has been given by the judge, on one of course, so Kasai is a signal that maybe, just maybe, he will not take, he will kindly turn down the advice given by the judge. And when he came out, he decided to say, what does he make of the directive or the advice by the judge? I know Katem say, even after the advice, he went on to engage. So he didn't say he will not take the advice, but he said he said even after the advice, he still went on. We don't know whether in future he would excuse himself or he would turn down the advice and continue to prosecute the ongoing trial.
So two main things. It can never be true that the Attorney General was directed. That's number one. The other fact is that a judge in the share say, "Yera a Jakpane a yera a Ato Forson say only to say one or how be was uncommon consona and omitimi Edia Court General Legal Council. I could do one in common. Is that the case?"
And Sapepe on chain a kitty say on train and also Japan lawyers no. So pair General Legal Council any bit may be the conduct of the Attorney General on that telephone with regards to the Japan going to a hospital to get an excuse form to delay the trial. No, that conduct of the Attorney General. No, if Japan epe redresser and then the lawyer epe redresser, the only form available that is clothed with the powers is the General Legal Council. So they should. So that's what she ended it there. That is the General Legal Council that has the powers, or that is clothed with the powers to deal with that.
Okay. So what happened again?
And also read the Manjo Online story that says that the application. Yes. So that is the fact. All the applications filed by Richard Japa and Dr. Case Ato Forson, the minority leader, they've all been dismissed by the sitting judge. That is it. Applications for stay, for mistrial, and then for the Richard Japa to be cross-examined on the tape by Ato Forson's judge. So she made the reference that the tape, what is contained on the tape happened early 2 weeks ago. And so the question the judge posed, he said, how can Adia AC just 2 weeks ago ever say case also for the past 2 years? Case na koswa about 2 years. That's a beginning and not 2 weeks here. Judge doesn't find it prudent say Obemasa tape no abe kwashi all the work that has been done. The fact that so Judge also as the tape now Richard Japa recorded on it Attorney General. Sisi I can say court na jatu omo tape no accepting into the court into sisi tape no the court in any man. Injina so judge ni jina they make it that ruling is say Attorney General Godfred Dame on pie e bebia e court wo and deny say tape no ono any Richard Japa no munya sa conversation or say her ruling is based on that it has not been denied. You shouldn't say okay, let's not go into ifs and buts. But that is what the judge said, that it's not been denied, and so the pen drive is admitted.
Okay, so what it means is that tape no era Godfred Dame on car said there be an answer I don't know dream no wajia to say Rebecca and come bono.
Sa pepe judge and say wajia to ntino at the court anymore. Me no can say before court be sorry no Richard Japa era atakemwa sisi ayeka say no wa eduji tamaklo and ojini muma lawyer Aziz Bamba or representing Dr. Kofi Ato Forson ebisane no musemama waka say o tape ne woni bag mu na e man ko yi tape ne fi the bag mu ba ya sisi ayeka say no judge now order say they should file it. Since on be file tape no na apeka sisi a tape na ya gba mama nsi nyina tele sisi a court adia to say it will form part of the case.
That is the tape ye bon wa bontema united here.
Sape pepe entia ne nyina so judge ya ka say attend general legal counsel ne betuma represent the conduct of AG no that tape no
ebi nka obi to the best of your knowledge, tape be anka obi apart from the yetina na
tape na. If going forward during cross examination no say ombetime to two jakpelu no the tape from so abadia, I mean that we don't know yet, but that is the signal the NDC is giving that more tapes are going to show up in the court.
Exactly, that's what I'm able to say. Maybe more tapes, you know. It be super toja and na I be Adom Sujere, a new quasi, any part of Donatina as a Ghana Fonitiana.
Oh, there be any tape for behind the toja answer.
All right, Mamenase in Comobian, Hodia Mamenase, Abdul Latif Idrisu, Medase, but